I just had to post this. I am playing around with my new prototype for the Nano, and I am absolutely amazed. Like, Julian, you have outdone yourself. I've got, I had 12 sheets of 0.15 steel or nickel plated steel. Uh, and I stacked them up, and with a double pulse, I am getting flagging all the way through this stack. I'll show you here on video. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right. So that much steel, solid. All right. All right, give it a little bit more pressure here. There's 1, 2 pulses. These get super hot. They are stuck together. I've got that 1 spot weld there. Here we go. So let me just split the stack here in not half, but look at that. There we go. So I split the stack in what, about third? It's flagging. That is 2 millimeters of steel. Nickel plated steel. With the Nano, this is not even the most recent revision. And the clamp tip I'm working on here. That's insane.